In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add glow to your clip or text on CapCut PC. Import a video clip or add text to your timeline, and then go to Effects panel. Select Video, Effects drop-down menu, and find Edge Glow Effect. Drag and drop Edge Glow Effect onto your video clip on the timeline. Adjust intensity and range of glow effect using provided sliders or controls. If you want to make text glow, add text to your timeline using Text tab. Type desired text and adjust size and position. And scroll through available effects and find Glow Effect. Click on Glow Effect to apply it to your text. Adjust intensity and range of glow effect to customize appearance of glowing text. Preview your video to see how glow effect looks on both clips and text. If necessary, go back and adjust settings to achieve desired glow effect.